So I was vomiting last night, and when I'm sick, I wake up with like insanely swollen lips like this. So what I've got here is a frozen cucumber. Wrap my lips around the cucumber and just yeah, try and reduce some of the swelling. I think it is working. It's the best way to do it. I know this seems silly. It's the best way to do it because it's swelling on the top. It's mostly the left side on the top and the bottom. So yeah, I know this seems like a silly video. It's actually not. I'm being 100% serious right now. I had lip filler like 5 years ago, and I guess it's just stayed in my lips a little bit. And every time I have food poisoning and throw up, my lips like super swell like this. It feels good. It actually feels so good. Ta-da!